In this quick video, I'll show you how to add home location in Google Map. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So firstly, open Google Maps in your mobile. Once you open it, tap on saved and now click on labeled, and then you will see option of home and work. Here choose home to add a home location, and now you will see two options. You can either choose your current location or you can choose location on your map, or you can also type your address here. I want to choose location on map, so for that tap on map. Once you tap on it, it will show you Google Map. Here place this location icon on top of your home. If you can't figure out where your home is, then tap on this icon. Once you tap on it, it will show you map types. Here choose satellite and then it will show you satellite, and from here you can easily find your home. Once you figure out your home, place the location icon on top of that and then tap on save, which is in bottom. Once you tap on it, your home will be added in Google Maps. Now just hit done, and there you go, you have successfully added home in Google Maps. Now if I was a big help, can you please subscribe my channel? I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.